Hello, I'm in a 2016 Kia Sorento, and today I'm going to show you how to check your oil levels. First, open the hood, and then while the vehicle's off and the motor's off, we'll first pull our dipstick here all the way out, and then wipe it clean with a good rag or paper towel. Then stick it all the way back in. Then pull it back out all the way. And then on the end here, if I can get a good focus, there's an F next to a dot, that's the full. And then the other side, there's an L next to a dot, that's the low. So you want the oil as close, if not on the dot, on the left where the F is, as you can. If it's a little closer to the L, that means you're low and you'll want to add some oil. So to do so, we'll stick this back in. Also, while the motor's off, we'll go to this cap here. Make sure you're using the proper type of oil, as well as ideally the same synthetic, conventional, and brand you've been using. Better not to mix and match if you can help it. But to add, we'll unscrew this cap, and then with a funnel or straight from your quart jug, just fill as needed. Try not to overfill as well, because that could cause issues. But once you've topped that off, screw this back on nice and tight, and then we'll start the vehicle again for about 5 seconds. Circulate the new oil, turn it off, and then we'll repeat the process from the beginning with this dipstick to see if we're on the full mark. And all that said, I wouldn't do any of this in replacement of regular oil changes, which typically, depending on vehicle engine mileage, type of oil, things like that, you usually do between 3,000 to 8,000 miles between oil changes. And to do those, usually put the vehicle on a slight lift so you can get underneath to the oil pan. You pull the oil plug, drain all the old oil out, replace any filters as needed, screw the oil plug back in nice and tight, and then up here we'll unscrew and add all the oil recommended for your particular motor for an oil change. Screw this back in nice and tight, and then start the motor again for 5 seconds or so to circulate the new oil, turn it off, and then repeat the process from the beginning with this dipstick. But I hope this was helpful. You have a wonderful day.